do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the responsibilities and duties of my office as they state their position. At Maranatha Christian Academy, Osigano, Malate. I pledge to uphold the values and principles of Maranatha Christian Academy of Sigana, Malate, promoting an inclusive and respectful environment for all students. I will act in the best of interest of the student body, striving to enhance the overall welfare and educational experience of our students. I will collaborate effectively with my fellow student body officer and other members of the student government to achieve our shared goals. I will listen to the concerns, ideas, and feedbacks of my fellow students and work diligently to address them. I will be transparent and accountable in my action and decision, keeping the welfare of the student body at the forefront. I will maintain academic excellence and ensure that my responsibilities as a student body officer do not compromise my academic obligation. I will participate actively in school events, initiatives, and community service, projects that benefit our school and local community. I will serve as a positive role model, demonstrating respect, empathy, and professionalism in all interaction. I will uphold and enforce the rules and regulations of Maranatha Christian Academy, Sigala, Malate, leading by example in adhering to school policies. I will pass on the knowledge and experiences gained during my term to my successor, ensuring the continuity of effective student leadership. So help me God. Thank you very much.